Welcome back, everyone. Creativity begins with a spark, an idea, a sign, a person, or even the supplies you have on hand. It can emerge from planning meticulously or from letting inspiration guide you spontaneously. Often, creativity is a latent talent within you that is ignited by something external. To an observer, a creative process may seem like a struggle, but in reality, it is a complex dance of ideas being processed and refined. Some creative individuals thrive on structured plans, while others let their creativity unfold organically as they work. For those who might not understand the creative mind, it can appear confusing, but the completed work often speaks for itself, dispelling any notions of struggle. Creative people are willing to experiment and take risks, valuing the act of trying over the fear of failure. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just beginning to discover your creative potential, remember that the effort itself is a triumph. It's important to support and encourage creativity rather than criticize, especially if one does not partake in creative endeavors themselves. To all the creative individuals out there, whether you're experienced or just starting, recognize your unique talents and don't let anyone discourage you. Embrace who you are and pursue what you love. Thank you. Please follow my journey at Let Your Creativity Shine.